Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Wax Crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in wax.io and click on enter. After that, you will be directed to official homepage of Wax Crypto. At the top right corner of your screen, you can see a Get a Wallet link. Click on it. Now scroll down a little. Then click on Get Started button here. After that, a new window will appear. Then click on Login button here. After that, type in your email address and password on this field. After typing in your information, you can click on Sign In button to log into your Wax Crypto account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forget Password link and follow the procedures to recover it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.